In the past 6 billion years, the expansion of that universe has been gradually accelerating under the influence of a mysterious dark energy. And the goal of DESI is precisely to clarify this overall picture by unveiling what dark energy is. DESI will map in 3 dimensions a huge volume of the universe. And the first vital ingredient for DESI to work is to have a deep imaging data set that provides us with a gigantic 2D map from which we can select the sources that we want to be observing with DESI.
We knew we only had 4 or 5 years to build up this image of the sky before DESI actually started observing. So what we decided to do was to combine efforts with different teams at different observatories.
So we ended up using 3 different telescopes in both the northern and southern hemispheres. But basically the challenge then is that we have, say, 3 exposures on that part of the sky, and they're taken in different conditions. So we might have light clouds or just turbulent atmosphere that causes blurring in the images. So after we get the images from each of the 3 telescopes, they go through a kind of calibration or pre-processing step. Our team ingests those sort of pre-processed images and standardizes them so that we can treat the data from the 3 telescopes in a more uniform way. And during the course of doing this, we found that we wanted to look at these images of the sky, and there wasn't really a very good tool that we could use to do that. So we ended up building this sky viewer, and it actually kind of transformed the way our own team interacted with the data.
For me, one of the most exciting parts about the project was that we devised it from the ground up as a public enterprise. So data have already been used for a large number of scientific projects by many people across the country. There are groups that are looking for cosmological lenses, and we can use these objects to study the expansion history of the universe.
One of the exciting things is using these images as a discovery tool for just rare, interesting objects in the universe. There's just incredible opportunity for anyone to go in and just discover new classes of objects. Maybe that's only been seen a handful of times before, or entirely new objects. This is one of those rare projects where we actually overachieved, I think, what we'd even hoped.
This is a beautiful result from years of telescope time and intense collaborative effort from over 150 people within the collaboration. DESI wouldn't be getting anywhere without these imaging surveys.